What is it with otherworldly demons in Central Park West? In Ghostbusters, 55 Central Park West was designed to be a gateway for Gozer, the Gozerian, the Hittite god of destruction. Producers originally wanted to shoot at 1 Fifth Avenue, just north of Washington Square Park in Greenwich Village, but the co-op board denied them access, forcing Zool, Gozer, and the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man to move uptown. Then there's the role that the Dakota played in Roman Polanski's chilling 1968 classic, Rosemary's Baby. Renamed the Bramford in the film, the Dakota was home to a coven of satanic worshippers who drugged Mia Farrow's character so that she could have sex with a demon and give birth to the devil's spawn. Polanski reportedly was not happy with the building's well-kept, brightly lit hallways. He envisioned a darker, more foreboding place, a problem that was solved for him when the board refused permission to shoot inside their building. The interiors were shot instead at the OSBORNE on West 57th Street. All of which just goes to prove the otherworldly powers of New York City's co-op boards.